Now to the latest coronavirus case numbers. There are now more than 27,000 cases in Washington. That's since the outbreak began. Up 408 cases since just yesterday. Deaths also increased by 19, up to 1,245. While Washington numbers are staying pretty steady, other states are seeing a spike in cases. 10 states saw a record number this week. Florida reported more than 3,200 additional coronavirus cases today. That is the largest single-day count in the state. In Arizona, health officials reported a new single-day high there, and Oklahoma saw a 91% jump over the past week.
Despite the surge in cases, President Trump is full speed ahead with campaign rallies with thousands of people in attendance. KRO 7's Dave Wagner is at the live desk for us. And Dave, in Oklahoma, people there are already lined up outside to get into the arena.
They are, Steve, and Saturday's rally is an attempt by President Trump to inject life into his re-election campaign. With 19,000 people expected, it would be the world's largest gathering since the pandemic started, and health officials worry it'll become a petri dish for COVID-19. 2 days before President Trump holds a campaign rally in Tulsa, supporters are lined up. While rally-goers will have to sign waivers saying they won't sue if they're exposed to coronavirus, the president is downplaying the danger.
The flames, they flare up in certain areas a little bit, but I think we'll put them out very quickly, and we won't be closing the country again.
Oklahoma has seen a dramatic rise in coronavirus cases, a 116% increase from June 6th to 13th. Tulsa's Republican mayor is worried Saturday's rally could make it worse.
I think any rational person looking at any large grouping of people, which is what we've been telling Tulsans for the last several months that you need to be concerned about, would have concerns about this weekend.
Former Vice President Joe Biden took aim at the president during his speech in Pennsylvania.
Donald Trump's failure to fight the coronavirus with the same energy and focus that he uses to troll his enemies on Twitter has cost us lives.
President Trump has rallies planned for Florida, Arizona, and Texas. All three are reporting dramatic spikes in COVID-19 cases.
Unless everybody wants just to go back home for another 18 months before we have this vaccine, we've got to get used to doing the right thing when we're out in public.
The president's rally in Tulsa was originally scheduled for Friday, which is Juneteenth, an annual holiday that celebrates the end of slavery. Tulsa is a city where 300 black residents were killed by white mobs in 1921. There is concern the president's presence could spark violence once again.
I'm not sure that the planners on his inner circle team thought about June 19th, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and race riots. Unless you're doing a historical check, you probably don't get those dots connected.
In a new interview with the Wall Street Journal, President Trump responded, quote, "I did something good. I made Juneteenth very famous." He added that nobody had ever heard of it. We should mention that Juneteenth is a recognized holiday in 47 states, including Washington, at our nation's capital. At the live desk, Dave Wagner, KRO 7 News.